Parahypnagogia, you have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. Hypnopompic hallucination occurs on the onset of sleep. Hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what ends you into a place. And this is what Einstein and Hendricks used to do a lot. They used to explore something called parahypnagogia.
I really like it. I like the texture. I like how it's not ironed.
The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted. Nobody.
It's amazing.
You know, you don't want to just set it down, but then again, there's no strap on it, so where you...
You know, because you know so many different things. You know, physics, linguistics.
Yeah.
Linguistics.
Yeah.
You know the theory.
And this is what Einstein and Hendricks used to do a lot. They used to explore something.
Good to be here. Question. Sorry to interrupt you.
But
By the way, can we talk about your rings real quick? Because what are the significance? What are we trying to do with the rings? Are they complicated? Do they get in your way, etc., etc.?
Well, it depends on what I'm playing. I have a very particular song I play where I use this ring as a slide guitar.
And this is what Einstein and Hendricks used to do a lot. They used to explore something called parahypnagogia. Hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. Hypnopompic hallucination occurs on the onset of sleep. Hypnagogic occurs.
Anyway, so I'm back.
It doesn't. Well, what 10th step when I said is it's supposed to be ironed? Is it a jacket that you'd iron?
No, you don't iron jackets, Iron Man. That's kind of ironic, right? Iron Man. You don't iron jackets, Iron Man.
Well, I don't iron jackets because I don't work at an iron jacket store.
But you want to know if I iron a jacket?
This is what Einstein and Hendricks used to do a lot. They used to explore something called parahypnagogia. Parahypnagogia, you have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination.
You know, you don't want to just set it down, but then again, there's no strap on it, so where you...
Okay, let's bring in
Magneto had a complete different philosophy. Magneto believed in preserving mutants and obliterating human civilization. Now, so who's the villain?
I'm playing. I have a very particular song I play where I use this ring as a slide guitar.
Look, people do what they do. I'm still wearing the same underwear from 3 weeks ago.
So many years ago, what did you do?
Sober, many years.
So many years ago, what did you do?
Many years.
What do you do?
On it, so where you...
It's amazing, you know, because you know singing.
How's this boy? How's your boy now?
I really